You are watching the second part of the FreeCAD Draft Intermediate course. In the first part, we did some basic FreeCAD setup, and in this part, I will show you how to create layers for our project. Layers are containers which contain other objects, and we create them in FreeCAD to effectively work with large number of draft objects. So first, from the course material, I will open the PDF file so that I know what my goal is. So this is the floor plan that I want to create, and I will create layers, and I will use the manage layers tool for that. So I will click this button, and this opens up the layers manager. And here I will create a new layer. So this is the new layer created, and the layer has some graphical properties, and I will rename this new layer. So I will double click here, and I will name it walls cut, because this will be lines for the cut of the walls, and this should have thicker line. So instead of the default thickness 2, I will make the thickness double, so 4. The draw style, it should be solid line. The line color, I will change this so that I know, let's say to this violet color. Face color we will not be using. Transparency should be set to 0, and I will talk about this print color later. So this is how easy it's creating the layers. So now I can create the layer walls projection, and I will choose the same color, but the thickness is different. So the next layer will be doors and windows. I will do one layer for both of these. I will just change the color to blue. Then another layer will be equipment, and I will change the line color, and I will set the color to gray, and I will also make the line width only 1, so it's thin lines. Then we need some overhead lines. So overhead, and I will set the color to orange, and don't worry, these colors will not be printed out. These are used only inside of FreeCAD, so I know which object is in which layer. So the overhead should be not solid line, but if I click here, I have options from 4 different line styles. So it depends on your country, but in my country we use the dash dot line for the overhead lines. The next layer will be room numbers, so this will be the information, and I will change the color to, let's say, this bright green. And then another layer for sure I will use for dimensions, and I will set it to be this darker green color. And the last layer I will create will be layer for hatches. So hatch layer, I will make it this magenta color, and I think these are enough of layers for our floor plan project. If I forgot to create a layer, I can always create it during my working in the project. So now I can hit OK, and you can see that the layers are created in the project tree in the layers container. And what's important is that if I create an object, so I will create a line, so I will click here and here, it's created outside of any layer. So I will delete this line. If I want to create objects, where now we will be creating the wall cut objects, I want these new objects to be created directly in the wall, in the layer. And for that, we have got this auto group tool, and if I click here, I can select an active layer. So if I select the active layer, walls cut, and now I create a line, you can see that it automatically has the color and the thickness, and it's placed in the wall cut layer. So this is very, very handy. So let me delete this line. Okay, so we are ready to create the geometry of our floor plan, and we will do that in the next part.